Are you searching for the ultimate plasma cutter welder combo that can handle all your fabrication, repair, and creative metalwork? You are in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the top 3 multi-process welding machines dominating Amazon right now, including the powerful Hitbox 4-in-1 plasma cutter welder combo, the Rubik 7-in-1 multi-process welding machine, and their Captain MIG 205 MP 9-in-1 welding beast. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, professional fabricator, or garage hobbyist, these machines will change how you weld and cut metal forever. So stick around, because number 3 will blow your mind. Product 1, Hitbox 4-in-1 Plasma Cutter Welder Combo, CT520. First up, we've got the Hitbox Plasma Cutter Welder Combo, a 4-in-1 machine packed with air sensor technology, a non-touch pilot arc, and an all-in-one LED display screen. It delivers 50 amps for plasma cutting, and up to 200 amps for TIG and stick welding. Perfect for home or professional use, and yes, it's dual voltage, 110V/220V. Pros: easy-to-use controls, stable arc, clean plasma cuts, and compact design for portability. Cons: the foot pedal could feel less sensitive for some users. Customer review: one verified buyer said, "I've used this hitbox for stainless steel and mild steel, smooth cuts, flawless TIG performance, and worth every dollar." Best for auto body repair, fabrication shops, or anyone who wants both cutting and welding in one box. Product 2, Rubik 7-in-1 Multi-Process Welding Machine. Next, the Rubik 200A 7-in-1 Welder Combo, a powerhouse that handles HFTIG, gas MIG, flux core, stick, and even plasma cutting. It's truly a professional-grade machine that adapts to your project, whether you're welding aluminum, steel, or cast iron. Pros: multi-process capability, spool gun support, stable arc control, and precise current adjustment. Cons: it's slightly heavier compared to compact models. Customer review: I've been welding for 15 years, and this Rubik machine surprised me. Smooth MIG welds, excellent aluminum results, a true all-rounder. Best for workshop pros, fabrication businesses, or anyone needing an all-in-one aluminum-ready welder. Product 3, our Captain MIG 205 MP 9-in-1 welding machine. And finally, our Captain MIG 205 MP 9-in-1 welding machine, the smartest of them all. With iControl app control, this machine lets you manage your welding settings right from your phone. It offers Pulse MIG, TIG, stick, flux core, spool gun, and even plasma cutting, all under dual voltage 120/240V. Pros: smart control system, clean aluminum welds, stable output, and sleek design. Cons: app setup may feel tricky for first-time users. Customer review: the app control is a game changer. I can fine-tune welds in seconds. Easily the best machine I've owned. Best for smart tech lovers, modern workshops, and precision welders who want power plus innovation. So, whether you want precision TIG control, powerful MIG welding, or smooth plasma cutting, these machines deliver it all. You'll find the Amazon links below. Grab yours while deals last. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Amazon welding tool reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next welding test.